once you get close to each other, but a lot of times it happens where there's a gap. Oh yeah, he'll arrive. He's heading down to the truck now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in the back. So that's it, nice and clear. See how dirty the pipe is around it? That's a clear indication where the road, you know what I mean? That's right here below. You take a picture and you can see how far. It's right here at the rooftop. I can almost see it from here. Let's do this. Let's do this. We're gonna get off this and go like this. Wow. Okay. I see daylight there. We're in. I know where their nest is.